Patrick at Pals. Ford Thunderbird. This is a 1957. It had a lot of improvements over previous designs. One of them is ram air. See that vent on the hood? If you come around to the inside, and it's open. That's going to force air into the air cleaner. That's why this cork is around the air cleaner. It meshes up to the hood, and when the air comes in, it brings it right into the throat of the carburetor. That gives you more horsepower. That ram air is probably responsible for at least the 10 horsepower increase on this engine. Ford was way ahead of its competition in 1957. See you soon.